it comes to staying cool during summer, most people focus on buying an air conditioner. But after recently reviewing the DREO Portable Air Conditioner 318S, I realized there is another product that can make your cooling setup work even better. This is the DREO TurboPoly Fan 765S. Rather than simply blowing air, it is designed to circulate cool air throughout the room much faster. When paired with an air conditioner, it helps distribute cooler air more evenly, allowing the whole room to reach a comfortable temperature sooner. Today, I'll mainly be demonstrating it together with the DREO Portable Air Conditioner 318S, although the same principle also works with traditional wall-mounted air conditioning systems. Let's take a closer look. The TurboPoly Fan 765S arrives in a premium-looking box and everything inside is packed securely. Inside, you'll find the fan itself, the pedestal components, the tabletop stand, the remote controller, the power adapter, and everything required for assembly. Looking at the fan itself, I think DREO has done an excellent job with the overall design. Rather than looking like a bulky appliance, it has a clean, modern appearance that fits naturally into a living room, bedroom, home office, or gaming setup. The build quality also feels premium. Nothing creaks or rattles, the controls feel responsive, and the whole unit feels sturdy and well made. One feature I really like is how easily it switches between pedestal and tabletop modes. The tabletop stand automatically unfolds and locks into position when placed on a flat surface, so there are no complicated mechanisms or tools involved. It's a small design detail, but one that genuinely makes the fan feel well thought out. The adjustable height also makes it easy to position the airflow exactly where you need it, which becomes especially useful when pairing it with an air conditioner. Now let's talk about one of the biggest advantages of this fan over many traditional models, the smart functionality. Besides the onboard controls and the included remote, you can also control everything through the DREO app. From there, you can adjust fan speed, oscillation, timers, airflow modes, and various other settings without leaving your chair. The app feels polished, responds quickly, and overall provides a very good user experience. The device also supports Matter over Wi-Fi, allowing it to integrate with Apple Home, Amazon Alexa, Google Home, Home Assistant, and other compatible smart home ecosystems. Now, obviously, the most important part of any fan is how well it actually moves air, and this is where the TurboPoly Fan 765S immediately stands out. DREO designed it around its turbo wind airflow system, delivering a powerful stream of air that reaches much farther than a typical household fan. But beyond the specifications, what impressed me the most was the real-world performance. Even when standing on the opposite side of the room, you can clearly feel the airflow, and rather than simply blowing air directly at you, it genuinely circulates air throughout the entire space. This is exactly where pairing it with the DREO Portable Air Conditioner 318S becomes so effective. Normally, the air conditioner cools the air closest to the unit first, meaning some parts of the room become comfortable much sooner than others. By placing the TurboPoly Fan 765S nearby, it continuously pushes and distributes that cooled air across the room, helping achieve a much more even temperature. During my testing, I definitely noticed the room became comfortable faster than when relying on the portable air conditioner alone. And while I'm demonstrating this together with the DREO Portable Air Conditioner 318S, the exact same idea works with traditional wall-mounted split air conditioners as well. No matter which AC system you're using, improving air circulation helps cooled air reach every corner of the room much more efficiently. Another feature that makes this fan genuinely different is DREO's Motion Sync 3D airflow technology. Instead of simply oscillating left and right, it combines up to 150 degrees of horizontal movement with 100 degrees of vertical oscillation, creating a much more natural airflow pattern that covers much more of the room. One feature I really enjoyed is Motion Sync directional control. Using either remote or the DREO app, you simply point towards the area where you want the airflow, and the fan automatically adjusts its direction. Initially, I thought this might be just a novelty feature, but after using it several times, it actually became surprisingly practical. The TurboPoly Fan 765S offers 6 operating modes together with 12 fan speeds, giving you plenty of flexibility depending on what you're doing. Whether you want a gentle breeze while sleeping, quiet airflow while working, or maximum performance on very hot days, there is a setting for virtually every situation. Despite its impressive airflow, I was also pleasantly surprised by how quiet it remains. At lower speeds, it's quiet enough to blend naturally into the background while working, reading, or sleeping, and even at higher speeds, the sound remains smoother rather than harsh or distracting. After living with a TurboPoly Fan 765S for several days, I found myself using it much more often than I originally expected. Obviously, pairing it with a portable air conditioner produced the biggest improvement, but even without the AC running, it generated enough airflow to keep the room feeling much more comfortable during milder weather. Another advantage is that this isn't only a summer product. During colder months, it can also work alongside a heater, helping distribute warm air more evenly throughout the room instead of allowing heat to remain concentrated in one area. That makes it a product you'll likely use throughout the year rather than only during heat waves. Overall, I think the DREO TurboPoly Fan 765S offers much more than a traditional fan. Yes, it delivers strong airflow, excellent build quality, smart controls, Matter compatibility, and plenty of customization, but what impressed me the most is how well it complements an air conditioner. Whether you're using DREO Portable Air Conditioner 318S like I did in this video, or a traditional wall-mounted AC system, improving air circulation genuinely helps cool your room faster and more evenly. Add in the versatile tabletop and pedestal design, motion sync 3D airflow, quiet operation, and thoughtful smart features, and you end up with a product that feels genuinely premium. If you're looking for a smart air circulator that not only performs well on its own, but also helps you get more of your existing cooling system, I think that the DREO TurboPoly Fan 765S is definitely worth considering. As always, if you would like to learn more about the product, I will leave links and show notes in the video description down below. Tell me in the comment section down below, what do you think about this air circulator? Would you buy this one or would you choose another option? As always, like the video if you liked it, please subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. And as always, it was Linus, thank you for watching and see you soon.